Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in this cartoon dancing next to and how you can add in a shadow as well to make it even more realistic. I just have this video of a mouse. Go to cutout and select auto cutout. It's not going to be super perfect, of course, but it worked, you know. I'm just going to add it to the right side here. Hopefully you can see a little bit better like that. I'm going to just copy and paste it, and I am going to rotate it twice and press the mirror button. And I'm just going to place it there. I'm going to then also go to adjustments. I'm going to turn on the saturation, the brightness, turn up the contrast until it looks like that. And then I'm going to just go to video and I'm going to select overlay, or actually just adjust the opacity of the shadow so it doesn't look super fake. The cartoon won't have the same dance as him, of course, but it's pretty cute if you ask me. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!